Which of these events happened first? A. Peck planted a banner reading "Votes for Women." B. Peck borrowed Peary's snowsuit. C. Peck climbed to the top of Mount Huascaran. Or D. Peck hired 2 Swiss guards. When faced with so many different options to have to put in order, it can be overwhelming. Let's start by comparing just the first 2 events. What happened first? Did Peck plant a banner reading "Votes for Women," or did she borrow Peary's snowsuit? The last paragraph of our text tells us that Peck returned to Peru to climb Mount Corapuna. At the summit, she left a banner that read "Votes for Women." The title for this passage is "Life After Mount Huascaran." Because Peck borrowed Peary's snowsuit to climb Mount Huascaran, as we see in the 4th paragraph, where she raises money for her climb, we can see that she borrowed Peary's snowsuit before planting her "Votes for Women" banner, as she planted the banner after climbing Mount Huascaran. So far, B is our earliest event, and we'll mark it to keep track of it. Now let's compare B to C. Did Peck borrow Peary's snowsuit first, or did she climb to the top of Mount Huascaran first? We just saw that she borrowed Peary's snowsuit while collecting funds to try climbing Mount Huascaran, so it wouldn't make sense that that would come before her reaching the top of Mount Huascaran. Therefore, B is still our earliest event. Let's now compare B, Peck borrowing Peary's snowsuit, to D, Peck hiring 2 Swiss guards. We see mention of her hiring Swiss guards in the 5th paragraph, after it tells us that in 1908, Peck scraped together the funds for yet another expedition to Mount Huascaran. Because we've seen that she borrowed Peary's snowsuit while collecting funds, and hired her Swiss guards only after finishing collecting those funds, we can see that Peck borrowing Peary's snowsuit is still our earliest event and can be marked as our final answer.